Hi, I'm Bill Cheney, the President and CEO of CUNA, the Credit Union National Association. We're going to have a vote very soon on the Credit Union Small Business Jobs Bill, Senate Bill 2231. And I'm asking you today to do all you can to help us make this happen. Credit unions have the opportunity to help small businesses help the economy by injecting $13 billion of capital into small businesses, helping them create 140,000 jobs, all at no cost to taxpayers. Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid has promised us a vote. We don't know exactly when that vote's going to occur, but we do know it's going to be after this current recess. The Senate comes back into session on April 16th, and our bill is on the calendar. So we desperately need you today to contact your senators and to have your small business members contact their senators and ask them to support Senate Bill 2231, the Credit Union Small Business Jobs Bill. Credit unions can help small businesses create jobs. This isn't about banks and credit unions. This is about small businesses that desperately need access to capital. So email your senators, write your senators, set up meetings with them, attend their town hall meetings. Your senators are back home for the next 2 weeks. They're having town hall meetings. We need credit unions and small businesses at every one of those meetings. Go to your senators' Facebook pages, like their page, post something on their wall, engage in a conversation with the people that are engaged with the senator on how credit unions can help small businesses create jobs. The banks oppose this, not because they truly believe that credit unions shouldn't make small business loans. They know better than that. They oppose this because they know if we win this vote, we have a stronger voice to do the other things that we want to do to help credit unions, help small businesses, and help their members. So we need everyone behind this effort. Whether your credit union is making small business loans or not, we need you to help support credit unions that do and support credit unions that want to help small businesses. So Senate Bill 2231, please urge your senators to support it. Act now, quickly, while we have this 2-week recess. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for supporting our efforts on Senate Bill 2231. Appreciate it.